You know how I'm always saying in my videos, if you got stress or anxiety, walk? Well guys, we're gonna put that to the test now. Kid, what you doing, baby? Okay, before we get any further with this video, I see my buddy Jeff is down here walking with his dog. A little nervous about my dog meeting his dog. They're about the same height. But his dog's a little older and I'm afraid Kit may be scared. Okay, come on, Kit, road. But yeah, I'm all the time saying, if you got anxiety, suffer from panic attacks, stress, walk, man, walk. Well, I got some stress going on right now. And this is my second time walking for today. I'm catching myself speed walking. Can't do that, I will get shin splints. I was speed walking over to catch up with Jeff, but anyway, there's nothing wrong. I mean, we're all perfectly fine, and the stress I'm getting is normal stress that every human being gets. You know, it has to do with money, bills. What the hell? Huh, somebody's going the wrong way around the park. So we're going to do a normal walk. We're going to see if my stress level has come down any. Yeah, we're going to put this to the test. Now, I put it to the test before many times, yes, but we're going to do it and I'm going to videotape it as it happens. Kit, why are you pulling me to the side? I think he's got to go pee. Was down here the other day and he went poo. I'm betting you that may be what he's wanting to do. That would be awesome. And this time I have a poop bag on me. Yes, but if I don't, there's some over yonder there. Two of the cars come zooming into the park. One's a lady with her little dog, but the other one, I don't know what the deal was. And we're talking, one of the cars that left out of here, now he's over yonder there. He came in fast. He's talking to the other car that came in here fast, huh? Young generation, probably. All right, guys, come on, road, or Kit, road. If this doesn't work, it's still a win-win situation because Kit's walking twice today. With all the rain we had for the past many days, Kit hasn't been able to walk. He walked last night. The rain finally ended, so I took him for a walk right before it got dark. And I walked this morning and I'm walking now. So it's a win-win situation for him, no matter what. But I tell you what, this place is filling up with people. Yeah, I ain't used to walking this time of the day. Usually I'm here at a much earlier time. I still haven't seen my buddy Jeff yet. His car's still here, but where's he at? Yeah, Kit wasn't able to walk on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday. Well, Sunday night. Yeah. So he's being a little brand new right now. Yeah, Friday we didn't have no rain, but that's my busy day. All right, Jeff's car's still here. One of you's down yonder there at the creek. Sometimes he likes to walk his doggy down there. He has a beautiful dog, by the way. He sure does. It's a blue heeler, I think is what it's called. He's about the same size as Kit. Found my buddy Jeff. I'll be back with a while, guys. Well, okay, now remember this whole thing was to see if it helps my stress. Well, I just got done talking to my buddy Jeff. I have not spoke to in probably about a year. That helped my stress a lot. So what I'm doing today may not be accurate because talking to him made me feel better. And Kit's scared to death of this puppy. Scared to death. But he's doing the walking thing all over again. So that means we'll be seeing him a lot more, and maybe Kit will get used to his dog. Kit, I understand you being scared, buddy. I get that. I get that. But one day you might start warming up to other dogs. One day. Okay. We'll get some snippers. Go ahead. Get some snippers. What age does a male dog start hiking his leg? I read about a year old. I know that's a strange thing to put on YouTube. I know that's strange even for my content, but I've mentioned it before. So I'm guessing about a year old. Okay, kid. Let's stop for a minute, okay, baby? Oh, I still got that stress. So we'll do this lap and another lap, and we'll see how that stress level, see if it comes down. It was really good to see my buddy Jeff, though. It's been a while. He walks for his art too. He does the same thing I do. I think he was telling me he might relapse a little bit, but he's back out doing it again. Told him I can't do what I used to do because of my leg, but I do what I can. All right, kid. This time you're gonna go poo-poo or pee? It's okay. Nobody's down here. Nobody's watching you. Like he's scared that somebody might be watching him. I don't know. This is Kit we're talking about. Oh, he helps my stress a lot too. He does. Ain't that right? Hey, Kit, come on. We'll go. Let's finish the walk. Hey, Road. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Okay, to me. To me. I'm not rightfully training right now. This is strictly for a walk. So I brought me no training treats whatsoever. But then again, I got a confession. I haven't really been using them. The only time I'm using the training treats is when we're inside of a store. Yeah. He's doing fine right now. It was a little brand new because he hasn't been here in a while. But beyond that, I don't have any problems with him walking. I only need the training treats inside the store. And I like to say Kid's doing phenomenal there, but we had him in the Walmart the other day. He did good one day, took him back the next day. He wanted to pull me all through the store. I think he was spooked. I think something scared him. Okay, if I do one more lap, I'll be up to my normal that I walk every day. Although I already did my walk earlier today. So we're gonna stand here and decide if I'm gonna do another lap or not. I think I should. Yeah, I think I should. It's starting to get a little windy out here, a little bit nippier, but I want to show you guys something real quick. They must have had a good time here this weekend. Let me show you. Looks like when somebody was backing out of there, it kind of got a little bit over too far to the side, and yep, they might have got themselves stuck. This ground is so saturated with all that rain, guys. It wouldn't be that hard to get stuck. We're supposed to have rain and snow mixed tomorrow, so that's another good reason I'm walking twice today. Come on forward. Just in case we ain't able to walk tomorrow. And it's good for Kit. It's good. And even though he was scared of Jeff's dog, it's still good that he got close to another dog. He's never really been that close to another dog, except that time at the dog park. I was gonna get Jeff and his dog on here, I would have, but guys, we got to talk about everything else, and maybe sometime down the road I would ask just permission. Beautiful Dodge just drove by me. Oh, it sounded good. Dodge truck. It makes me miss my Ford F-150. It used to sound like that. Yeah, he's parking down yonder. He lives over across the street. Okay, kids, stop, baby. Woo! When that wind blows, it's cold. Well, my stress did come back. It did. I didn't videotape for a whole mile. It did come back, but guess what? After I finished that mile out, my stress level's down now. So I can't rightfully say it was a good test, because Jeff, by me talking to Jeff, did bring it down. So I would have to do it another time. I'm hoping I ain't stressed the next time I walk anyway. Now today was just something, going through bills, got aggravated. You know, I had to rob Peter to pay Paul. And it just stressed me good. So I went in there, I said, Kit, ready for another walk? Let's do it. Let's see if I can relieve this stress. So I like to think it helped, but I rightfully won't know until one day I do it again. But I will tell you, it is a good stress reliever, as I've done it in the past and it has relieved stress. All right, guys, let's head to the car on a slow walk. We are done. we're done. Yeah, 2 walks in the bag today, buddy. And the funny thing about it is, kid hasn't even had that much of a nap. No, I'm more than likely either he's gonna go home and get into play mode 100%. Well, play and rip mode. And what I mean by rip, you know, rip up some of his new toys. By the way, 2 of the new toys we got him are destroyed. He has 1 left, and it won't last out the rest, probably another 2 days. So either be in play and rip up the toy mode, or he might take himself a nap. Either way, I got dishes to do, so it don't matter to me. Till next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Hold, right there, kid, hold on. Leave down in the comments, what do you all do for your stress? And if you suffer from anxiety like I do and panic attacks, what do you do for them? And I'm not looking for any, I know some people take medication. There's nothing wrong with that. My daughter does. But I'm talking about activities that might help. This is how I deal with my stuff. I walk. All right, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next couple days. We'll find out. It depends if I get a video or not. Depends on Mother Nature. We'll see you soon. Come on. I'm out of here.